Our healthcare team was tasked with designing Kaiser Permanente's new Bowie Medical Center to meet the LEED v4 Building Design and Construction Rating System. This project would be one of the first projects at Gresham Smith to implement the new rating system. The team would need to educate themselves on the new V4 requirements and took on this challenge by turning it into an opportunity to educate the whole firm. LEED v4 is really designed to challenge the status quo and achieve exceptional results from projects. At the time that we started the Kaiser Permanente Bowie project, LEED version 4 was the current rating system. The reason that USGBC chose to revise and update the rating system at this time was to really push for more impactful market transformation and focus on proofs and results.
Gresham Smith has a long history of commitment to sustainability. For about 8 months, the KP Bowie project team researched and prepared slides and ultimately executed a monthly learning lab series where we really talked about our experience going through Gresham Smith's first LEED v4 project and what it took to get us through that process. A lot of individuals, a lot of project teams have worked on very visible, very sustainable projects over the years. So it felt like this learning lab just was the culmination of a lot of years of effort. In a lot of ways, sustainability has never been more attainable than it is now, and yet we have to work harder and harder to get there.
The learning labs were an opportunity for learning and teaching. We brought in someone from each discipline to really speak at a more credible level about the different areas that LEED version 4 is asking us to provide sustainability measures on. LEED version 4 is not a simple program, it's not a simple workflow, and it requires a lot of effort to be put in to ensure that we're achieving those credits.
You know, it's one thing to teach yourself something, it's another thing to be able to teach somebody else. So going through that process really got us to where we needed to be much faster than we would have otherwise.
I think every day at work I'm learning something new, and this learning lab, as busy as we are, it made me sit down and learn a whole new kind of specialty. It made me better as a designer because you're learning from your peers, they're speaking your language.
One of the most interesting aspects of the learning lab was being able to use a real life project that was in progress. It was an opportunity for us to practice not only from a learning standpoint, but an execution standpoint. So the Learning Lab series really featured everybody that participated in the project, including architecture, interior design, mechanical and electrical and plumbing engineering, as well as our out-of-house civil engineering consultants. I think the decision to do the Learning Lab series really speaks directly to the firm's commitment to learning and growth. A lot of personal time was invested, but the ultimate result was something that was able to be shared across the firm and across all the offices.
This experience really had 3 primary benefits. It benefited the individuals on the project team, allowing them to enhance their knowledge. It benefited the firm by expanding that knowledge base past the project team. And ultimately, and most importantly, it benefited the client by allowing us to design a better, more high-performing, sustainable project that meets the challenges that LEED v4 is pushing forward.